Hello everybody, welcome to EduCare's latest video. In this video, I will provide an overview of the UAE Private Tutor Work Permit. A private tutor work permit is a document that allows you to legally work as a private tutor in the UAE. It is issued by the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization and the Ministry of Education. The permit is valid for 2 years. Registered tutors can provide private tuition as long as they have proof of valid residency. This work permit covers both in-person tutoring as well as online tutoring, and there is no cap on the number of students one can have. The UAE has strict laws regarding working without proper documentation. As per the labor law, all workers must possess a valid work permit before starting employment in the country. Those found working illegally face severe consequences, including hefty fines, imprisonment, and most certainly deportation. So it's better to acquire a private tutor work permit if you wish to give either online or offline tuition. I will share a screen recording of the detailed steps which I followed for the application process. To apply for a private tutor work permit, visit the official MMHRE website. Go to the Services tab and click the Private Teacher Work Permit section. You will need to enter your Emirates ID number and an OTP code that you will receive. Once verified with OTP number, you will see your pre-filled personal details. Scroll down, then you will see list of courses. Select all courses which you can provide tuition. Next step is to attach documents. Before that, select your category. Here, I will provide example of the category of unemployed. For this, you need to submit following documents. Firstly, your latest academic qualification. If you have equivalency for your degree, better upload that. Secondly, certificate of good conduct and conduct. I uploaded police clearance certificate, which we will get online through the UAE Ministry of Interior application by uploading necessary information. Thirdly, valid identification document. You can either upload passport, Emirates ID, or UAE license. Fourthly, medical fitness certificate. For me, it was the time of my visa renewal, so I uploaded the same medical which we are getting from health center for visa process. Optionally, upload your experience certificate. Lastly, upload your photo with white background. Also, you have to upload an agreement which you will get from the same page down. First, download the form and write your name and sign on prescribed place, then upload. Once you have done all these process, you can save and submit. Usually, it will take maximum of 5 working days to complete verification process to obtain license. And for me, it exceed more than that. So I emailed on MOHRE's official mail ID, and thereby I received it. So if you have any concern, you can contact the same mail ID which I mentioned. I hope you have got clear idea about the application process. If you find this video helpful, kindly support my channel by like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.